गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन, गुड इवनिंग नेगी सोल्जर्स, हाउ आर यू? कैसे आप लोग? कमान 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 एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू? टाइप इन चैट बॉक्स नेगी सोल्जर्स, कैसे आप लोग? आई होप यू पीपल आर डूइंग वेल, very very well in your life. And my friend, today we are going to have झमाझम रिवीजन ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स. आज चैप्टर 1 का जितना पॉसिबल हो सकेगा पूरा रिवीजन कर लेंगे. एंड देन फ्रॉम मंडे ऑनवर्ड्स वी आर स्टार्टिंग बेसिक थर्मोडायनामिक्स इन एंटायर डिटेल. तो आज फटाफट से रिवीजन करेंगे, रे बाबा. चलो चलो, those who are coming first time to our YouTube channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Devendra Singh Negi. I'm mechanical head and academy branch. GATE All India Rank 1 2019-20 Engineering Sciences paper, All India Rank 1 bank note paper mill. I completed masters from IIT Bombay. I was the top of my batch. I'm teaching for GATE and ESC since 9+ years. I have mentored more than 50,000 students in online, offline and seminar mode. This is one information, my friends. Those who are planning to join Unacademy Plus, my courses will keep on coming continuously in all the batches. So my friends, from 22nd of March, I am starting heat transfer on Unacademy Plus. Then from 3rd of May, I am starting thermodynamics on Unacademy Plus. And remember, those who will be using Negi 10 and coming on Unacademy Plus, मैं उनके लिए एक बेहतरीन extraordinary batch बना रहा हूं, where thermal and fluid part I will be teaching and remaining subjects will be taught by the best educators of the country. तो एक बेहतरीन बैच बना रहा हूं उनके लिए जिनको दिक्कत हो रही है कि सर थर्मो आपसे पढ़ना है, फ्लूइड आपसे पढ़ना है, मैं ही पढ़ाने वाला हूं बेटा अनअकैडमी प्लस पर. नाउ अगर आपने अभी तक अनअकैडमी लर्निंग ऐप इंस्टॉल नहीं किया है तो अनअकैडमी लर्निंग ऐप इंस्टॉल कर लीजिए, बिकॉज द मोमेंट यू आर इंस्टॉलिंग द अनअकैडमी लर्निंग ऐप यू विल बी गेटिंग टू बेनिफिट. द फर्स्ट बेनिफिट इज you will be unlocking your free plans. The moment I'm saying you will be unlocking your free plan, that means you will be unlocking your free special classes, free quizzes, free test series, free Unacademy Combat for GATE, and of course Unacademy Learning app will be asking you the invite code. And invite code for Negi soldiers is what? There is only one invite code, re baba. There is only one invite code, re baba. Negi 10, Negi 10, Negi 10 for Negi soldier. There is only one invite code, Negi 10. तो फटाफट से आप इनवाइट कोड यूज करेंगे Negi 10 और आ जाएंगे अनअकैडमी लर्निंग ऐप पर. द सेकंड बेनिफिट इज the moment you are installing the Unacademy Learning app, you can directly send me the message. आप directly मुझे मैसेज कर सकते हैं. Whatever the queries you people are having, I will be replying you. Now, as I told you, on Unacademy Learning app, we are taking number of free special classes. Already इस वीक में मैंने वेलोसिटी एंड एक्सेलरेशन के ऊपर क्लास ले ली है, टाइप्स ऑफ फ्लूइड फ्लो के ऊपर ले ली है, कंटिन्यूड इक्वेशन. टुडे आई डिस्कस बर्नौलीज इक्वेशन एंड टुमारो आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस वेंचुरीमीटर. तो कल मॉर्निंग 11:30 AM आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस वेंचुरीमीटर. Oh my God, this is ज्ञान गंगा. I don't know whether you are aware of this or not. बेटा ये है ज्ञान गंगा. Whatever the free classes I have taken till now in my life, whether it is on Unacademy free special classes or YouTube channel, everything is arranged in a proper way. हर चीज एक proper way में arrange करके रखी हुई है. You can see applications of thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, heat transfer, previous year questions of XC, answer key solutions, special session, thermodynamics. Everything is arranged in proper way. एक बार इसको जरूर देखना. The moment you are seeing this, I'm telling you, you will be getting lots of proper resource for your GATE preparation or engineering service examination preparation. तो पहुंचेंगे कैसे ज्ञान गंगा तक बेटा? This is the link to reach ज्ञान गंगा. tinyurl.com/Negi 10 code. इनफैक्ट अगर किसी को मेरी कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स चाहिए, you will be finding my contact details over here. Now, listen carefully. The moment you are clicking on any of the subject of the Gyan Ganga, it will look like this. In the first column, you will be having the name of the chapter. In second column, you will be having the lecture numbering. Third column, you will be having topic name. Fourth column, you will be having the class link. Fifth column, you will be having the class note link. And this is the thing, my friends. If you want to download the class notes on daily basis, then this is the Telegram channel to join. आप नेगी 10 टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन कर लीजिए, आपको सारे क्लास के नोट्स एवरी डे डेली बेसिस पे मिलने वाले हैं. This is the link of the Negi 10 Telegram channel, and if you don't want to miss my free special class on Unacademy Learning app, then search my profile Devendra Singh Negi and follow me. The moment you are following me, you will be able to get the notification of my all free special classes. And of course, if you are not able to search my profile, this is the link. आप इसको टाइप कर सकते हैं. Enter the invite code to unlock your PPT. What is the invite code? What is the invite code? बोलो रे बाबा, बोलो रे बाबा, बोलो रे बाबा. What is the invite code? Oh my God! Enter the invite code to unlock your PPT. What is the invite code? Negi 10, Negi 10, Negi. R for Negi soldier. There is only one invite code रे बाबा. Negi soldiers के लिए एक ही invite code है. Negi 10, Negi 10, Negi 10. So my friends, I hope each and everyone is ready for the beautiful revision. I hope each and everyone is ready for the beautiful revision. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Let us start the revision of first chapter, basic concepts. Chalo. System, surrounding and boundary. देखो अब बेटा ध्यान से सुनना. यहां पर मैं बहुत ज्यादा कुछ समझाने वाला नहीं हूं. इट इज द रिवीजन सेशन. जो मैंने पढ़ाया है बस उसी को ही एक बार आपके लिए रिवाइज कर रहे हैं, सो दैट आपको सारी चीजें रिकलेक्ट हो जाएंगी. जो लोग पहली बार आ रहे हैं, already I have taken first 2 chapters in entire detail. लगभग 30 lectures हैं. I have given the PDF on Negi 10 Telegram channel. As I promised you, I have compiled all the lecture notes in single PDF and I have given you. आप Negi 10 Telegram channel पर जाकर देख सकते हैं. System. What is system बेटा? What is system? Anyone in the class? Anyone in the class? What is system? बोलो रे बाबा, system क्या होता है? Quantity of matter or region in space which is under observation. Quantity of matter or region in space which is under observation, which is under investigation, is known as system. For example, देखना बेटा ध्यान से. For example, let us suppose I am having one water bottle. This water bottle is carrying some water. Now, let me say this water is at 25 degrees Celsius. Now, let us suppose I am supplying some heat. Let us suppose I am supplying some heat of 100 kilojoule. Let us suppose I am supplying some heat of 100 kilojoule. 100% the temperature of this water is going to increase from 25 degrees Celsius to some T degree Celsius. If I ask you, अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि फाइनली टेम्परेचर कितना होगा वाटर का, so what are you going to observe? You are going to observe water. Water will be under investigation. So this water will be behaving as system. ये जो water है, ये water किसकी तरह behave करने लगेगा बेटा? System की तरह behave करेगा. What is surrounding? Anything which is external to the system. कुछ भी which is external to the system is known as surrounding. What is boundary? What is boundary बेटा? टाइप करेंगे बाउंड्री क्या होती है. व्हाट इज बाउंड्री? एवरीवन टाइप इन चैट बॉक्स. व्हाट इज बाउंड्री? टाइप करेंगे रे बाबा. व्हाट इज बाउंड्री? फटाफट से टाइप करेंगे रे बाबा. व्हाट इज बाउंड्री? व्हाट इज बाउंड्री? बाउंड्री क्या होती है? आई वॉन्ट यू पीपल टू पार्टिसिपेट. मैं चाहता हूं कि आप लोग पार्टिसिपेट करें बेटा. यहां पर आज आप लोग पार्टिसिपेट करने वाले हैं. हा, बाउंड्री इज व्हाट? which separates system from surrounding. Okay, it is basically the interface shared by system and surrounding. Very good beta, very good. So I hope you are able to understand. बेटा देखो ये जो dotted line है, this dotted line is representing the boundary. ये जो dotted line है बेटा, ये जो dotted line है, this dotted line is representing the boundary. Fine. चलो देखो ध्यान से. Quantity of matter or region in space which is under investigation is known as system. What is surrounding? Anything which is external to the system is known as surrounding. Boundary is the interface shared by both system and surrounding, and of course mathematically the thickness of boundary is almost zero. Hence it has neither volume nor mass, and of course universe is what? व्हाट इज यूनिवर्स बेटा? यूनिवर्स क्या होता है? व्हाट इज यूनिवर्स? फटाफट से बोलेंगे, व्हाट इज यूनिवर्स? कैन आई से यूनिवर्स इज सिस्टम प्लस सराउंडिंग? कैन आई से यूनिवर्स इज सिस्टम प्लस सराउंडिंग? यस. नाउ बाउंड्री कैन बी रियल, बाउंड्री कैन बी इमेजिनरी. इसका मतलब क्या है? ध्यान से देखना बेटा, प्लीज ऑब्जर्व केयरफुली, प्लीज ऑब्जर्व केयरफुली. बाउंड्री कैन बी रियल, boundary can be imaginary. Let us suppose this is my system. I am having one water bottle, and let me say this water bottle is half filled, and that half filled water, water is my system. Of course you must be able to understand, आपको एक चीज दिखाई दे रही होगी, you must be able to understand, this is your boundary beta, this is your boundary, this is your boundary. So 100% can you observe one thing? What I said, boundary can be real, boundary can be imaginary. तो क्या आपको ये चीज समझ में आ रही है बेटा? This is what? This is your real boundary. This is your real boundary. This is your real boundary. If you see, this is your inner surface of the bottom. This is your inner surface of the curved surface of the water bottle. But if you see this part beta, अगर आप ये वाला पार्ट देखेंगे, if you remove your system, अगर आप यहां से वाटर निकाल दे तो आपको यहां पर कुछ नहीं दिखाई देगा. So 100% this is what? This is not the real boundary. This is your imaginary boundary. Similarly here, if you see, I'm having a pipeline. मान लीजिए मेरे पास एक pipeline है. In this pipeline, I'm having some water. In this pipeline, I'm having some water. Can you see, beta? I'm having one pipeline. In this pipeline, I'm having some water. Let me say this water is under observation. This water is under investigation. Let me say this water is my system. 100% you will be able to see the boundary will consist of real boundary and imaginary boundary. This inner curved surface will be the real boundary. ये आपकी real boundary होने वाली है. But on the other hand, can you see बेटा? ये जो आपके ends हैं, ये ends क्या होंगे? They will be imaginary boundary. अगर आप वाटर सिस्टम को बाहर निकाल देंगे तो आपको वहां कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. Now similarly, boundary can be rigid, boundary can be flexible. Look at here my friends, let us suppose I am having a rigid container. मान लीजिए मेरे पास rigid container है. Let us suppose I am having rigid container. Let me say this rigid container is carrying some air. इस rigid container के अंदर some air है. Let me say this air is at 25 degrees Celsius. Let us suppose I am supplying some heat. मान लीजिए मैंने कुछ heat supply करी इस air को. Let me say the heat supplied is 100 kilojoule. 100% the temperature of air is going to increase. इसमें तो कोई doubt ही नहीं है. Temperature of the air is going to increase. Now if this air is under observation, 100% you must be able to understand this air is my system. मान लो air का temperature 25 से बढ़कर 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस हो गया मान लो. Now what was the boundary earlier? क्या आपको समझ में आ रहा है? पहले बाउंड्री ये थी बिफोर सप्लाइंग द हीट. दिस वाज द बाउंड्री, दिस वाज द बाउंड्री. आफ्टर सप्लाइंग द हीट व्हाट इज द बाउंड्री? दिस इज द बाउंड्री. देयर इज नो चेंज इन बाउंड्री, देयर इज नो चेंज इन बाउंड्री. सो बाउंड्री इज द रिजिड बाउंड्री. दिस बाउंड्री इज व्हाट बेटा? रिजिड बाउंड्री. ये जो बाउंड्री है ये आपकी कौन सी बाउंड्री है? Rigid boundary, because it is not changing. It is not changing when I am supplying the heat. When the process is taking place, there is no change in boundary. 100% this is rigid boundary. This is rigid boundary. यहां तक आप लोग क्लियर है बेटा? Now let us talk about imaginary boundary. आपको imaginary boundary का एग्जांपल देता हूं, ध्यान से देखना बेटा, ध्यान से देखना. Let us suppose I am having a piston cylinder arrangement. मान लीजिए मेरे पास एक piston cylinder arrangement है. In this piston cylinder arrangement, let us suppose I am having air, and this air is at 25 degree Celsius. ये जो air है ये 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे है. And let us suppose we are supplying some heat of 100 kilojoule. मान लीजिए मैं 100 किलो जूल की हीट सप्लाई कर रहा हूं इस एयर को. लेट मी से दिस एयर इज माय सिस्टम, दिस एयर इज अंडर ऑब्जर्वेशन. 100% व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन, what is going to happen when we are supplying the heat to this air which is contained by the piston cylinder arrangement? There is no doubt the piston will be moving upward. ये जो piston है ये ऊपर की तरफ move करने लगेगा. This piston will start moving upward. The piston will start moving upward. And let me say finally this is the situation. मान लीजिए फाइनली ऐसा कुछ सिचुएशन है, मान लीजिए एयर का टेम्परेचर 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस हो गया एंड दिस इज द फाइनल सिचुएशन. आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग? ये जो बॉटम में थी बाउंड्री, वट एवर द बॉटम पार्ट ऑफ द बाउंड्री आई एम हैविंग, इट इज सेम, इट इज सेम. सो दिस बॉटम पार्ट ऑफ द बाउंड्री इज रिजिड बाउंड्री. इसमें तो कोई चेंज नहीं हुआ. पहले भी वो बॉटम वाला सिलेंडर का जो बेस था वो था, अभी भी बॉटम वाला सिलेंडर का बेस ही है. सो दिस इज योर रिजिड बाउंड्री. बट इफ यू सी दिस अर्लियर देखो इसकी बात कर रहा हूं, ये कर्व सरफेस की ही बात कर रहा हूं बेटा, ध्यान से देखना. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस कर्व सरफेस. अर्लियर ओनली दिस पार्ट ऑफ द कर्व सरफेस वाज रिप्रेजेंटिंग द बाउंड्री, बट नाउ this part of the curved surface is representing the boundary. So 100% this is changing, 100% this is what your flexible boundary. ठीक है. Now listen carefully. Type of system: closed system, isolated system, open system. What is closed system beta? What is closed system? What is closed system? Anyone in the class can tell me what is closed system? फटाफट से बताएंगे बेटा. When I'm saying closed system, what do you mean by closed system? फटाफट से बताओ. Mass interaction, mass interaction, mass interaction, एनर्जी इंट्रैक्शन. चलो बताओ. मैंने सफिशिएंट हिंट दे दिया बेटा. आई हैव गिवन यू सफिशिएंट हिंट. नाउ यू टेल मी. फटाफट से बताएंगे. कैन आई से क्लोज सिस्टम इज द सिस्टम वेयर we cannot have any mass interaction, where we cannot have any mass interaction but we can have energy interaction. जल्दी से बताओ. where we cannot have any mass interaction but we can have energy interaction. ध्यान से देखना बेटा. Please observe carefully, please observe carefully. Can I say closed system is the system in which mass interactions can't take place but energy interactions can take place. Now listen carefully. Let us suppose I am having a closed system which is having all the boundaries as rigid boundaries. मान लीजिए मेरे पास एक closed system है. Let us suppose I am having a closed system which is having all the boundaries as rigid boundary. वहां पर डिस्प्लेसमेंट वर्क कितना होगा बेटा? I have told you, मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी बताया हुआ है. Can you tell me if I am having a closed system which is having all the boundaries, all the parts of the boundaries as a rigid boundary, fixed boundary, can you tell me what will be the displacement work? 100% displacement work will be zero. Displacement work will be zero. For a closed system having all rigid or fixed boundaries, displacement work is zero. Now listen carefully. Sometimes the word control mass is used. Sometimes the word control mass is used for closed system. Why? Because in closed system your mass interaction is zero. Mass cannot cross the boundary. So 100% what is going to happen? You are observing the same mass throughout the process. आप उसी mass को टक टक देख रहे हैं. So 100% sometime closed system is known as control mass also. So the term control mass is sometimes used in place of closed system. Of course, if I am talking about the 4-stroke IC engine, compression and expansion, that is power strokes, are representing the closed system. Now isolated system. Anyone in the class, what is the isolated system beta? सर नोट्स कहां से मिलेंगे बेटा? नेगी10 टेलीग्राम चैनल है, मैंने ऑलरेडी वहां पर अपलोड कर दिए हैं. देयर इज अ टेलीग्राम चैनल नेगी10, NEGI, नेगी बाउंड्री, NEGI 10 नेगी 10 सिक्सर झमाझम गेटिंग रे बाबा। आइसोलेटेड सिस्टम बताओ जल्दी से फटाफट से, व्हाट इज आइसोलेटेड सिस्टम? चलो जल्दी से बताना। What can you say about mass interaction? What can you say about energy interaction? So isolated system is the system where neither mass interaction nor energy interactions can take place. यही है ना, यही है ना, फटाफट से बोलेंगे बेटा। Yes, 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 yes. So can I say isolated system is the system in which neither mass nor energy interactions can take place. Now बेटा बहुत टाइम ऐसा होता है स्टूडेंट्स विल बी कंफ्यूज्ड, आई हैव सीन नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स स्टूडेंट्स विल बी कंफ्यूज्ड बिटवीन आइसोलेटेड सिस्टम एंड इंसुलेटेड सिस्टम। बेटा ध्यान से सुनना, इंसुलेटेड सिस्टम ऐसा सिस्टम होता है जहां पर आपका हीट इंटरैक्शन जीरो होती हैं, बट आइसोलेटेड सिस्टम इज द सिस्टम वेयर एनर्जी इंटरैक्शंस, द मोमेंट आई एम सेइंग एनर्जी इंटरैक्शंस, इट इंक्लूड्स हीट इंटरैक्शन एंड वर्क इंटरैक्शन। सो याद रखना बेटा, for insulated system heat interactions is zero but work interactions can take place. Now listen carefully, what is the aim of thermodynamics? What is the gist of thermodynamics? Since thermodynamics deals with the energy interactions, in thermodynamics we will be dealing with what? Energy interactions. In insulated system your energy interactions are zero, hence we don't deal in much of detail in thermodynamics as far as isolated system is concerned. Since thermodynamics deals with energy interactions and in isolated system there is no energy interaction, hence we don't study isolated system in detail. yahan tak clear hai? Now listen carefully, don't be confused. I told you clearly, in isolated system energy interactions, energy transfer will be zero, but I never told energy transformation can't take place. So याद रखना बेटा, in isolated system energy transfer can't take place but energy transformation can take place. Next, open system. What is open system रे बाबा? ये open system क्या है? What is open system? What is open system? Yes, anyone in the class can tell me what is open system? फटाफट से बोलेंगे बाबा। Come on everyone, I want everyone to type in chat box, what is open system? Open system, yes, open system क्या होता है रे बाबा? Everyone type in chat box, open system बोलो रे बाबा, type in chat box, what is open system? What is open system? फटाफट से बोलेंगे बेटा। ओपन सिस्टम चलो फटाफट से बोलेंगे। Open system is the system where both mass and energy interactions can take place. Yes, both mass and energy interactions can take place. Excellent है रे बाबा। देखो, open system is the system where both mass and energy interactions can take place. Now listen carefully, I have told you something. Open system operating under steady flow. An open system is said to be in steady flow. An open system is said to be a steady flow open system if none of the property changes with the time at a particular location. ये बात समझ में आ रही है बेटा? Are you clear with this? An open system is said to be a steady flow open system if none of the properties changes with the time at a particular location. मैंने आपको ये बताया था. And are you able to recollect? Are you able to recollect for steady flow open system? For steady flow open system, what was dm by dt of the control volume? Anyone in the class? For for steady flow open system, any intelligent student of the class can tell me what will be dm by dt of the control volume? It will be 0. What will be d by dt of the control volume? It will be 0. And as I told you clearly, sometimes the term control volume is used. The term control volume is used sometimes in place of open system. कभी कभी हम लोग जैसे closed system के लिए control mass use करते हैं, similarly for open system we are using the term control volume. Why? I have told you already. Yes. What is property? Very good बेटा. What is property? फटाफट से टाइप करो चैट बॉक्स में. What is property? Anyone in the class can tell me what is property? फटाफट से बोलेंगे रे बाबा. What is property? Property क्या होती है बेटा? What is property? Yes, yes, yes. Anyone in the class can tell me what is property? What is property? Property क्या होती है? Property is the characteristic. Property is what? Property is the characteristic of the system to which a number can be assigned. Characteristic of the system to which a number can be assigned. Number can be assigned at a given instant of time. देखना बेटा ध्यान से. What is property? It is a characteristic of the system to which a numerical value can be assigned at a given instant of time at a given time is known as property. So basically property क्या होती है? Property is the character of the system to which you can give some number. Volume, yes, you can give some number. Mass, of course, you can give some number. But as far as taste is concerned, as far as the smell is concerned, you cannot give the number. So my friends, please understand, those characteristics of the system to whom you can assign some number is known as property of the system. Now, property of the system are of two types. ना? दो टाइप की होती है property of the system. क्या क्या होती है? जल्दी से बताओ. Property of the system are of two types. कौन कौन सी होती हैं? फटाफट से बताओ बेटा. Property of the system are of two types. कौन कौन से हैं दो टाइप? Let me say intensive property. Let me say extensive property. What is intensive property? Anyone in the class? What is intensive property beta? What is intensive property? What is intensive property? जल्दी से बोलो intensive property क्या होती है? Intensive property is the property of the system which is independent of the type करो रे बाबा चैट बॉक्स में extent in bracket size of the system. Whereas extensive properties are the properties which depends upon the extent in bracket size of the system. देखो बेटा, types of properties: extensive property, intensive property. Extensive property is the property which depends on the extent in bracket size of the system. Intensive property is the property which is independent of the extent in bracket size of the system. This everyone knows. ये तो सबको पता है रे बाबा. Now, there are few conclusions which I have given you earlier, जो मैंने already आपको बताए हुए, बस उनको read करता हूं. Again I am reminding you, again I am recollecting it for you. Yes, density is intensive property or extensive property. टाइप करेंगे चैट बॉक्स में, डेंसिटी क्या है बेटा? डेंसिटी इज इंटेंसिव प्रॉपर्टी और एक्सटेंसिव प्रॉपर्टी. टाइप इन चैट बॉक्स, डेंसिटी इज इंटेंसिव प्रॉपर्टी और एक्सटेंसिव प्रॉपर्टी. डेंसिटी इज एन intensive property or extensive property? 100% density is an intensive property. Always remember, ratio of two extensive properties is always an intensive property. Ratio of two extensive properties is an intensive property, and specific properties are defined only for extensive properties. Specific properties are defined only for extensive properties, and it is defined as extensive property per unit mass. For example, specific internal energy, specific volume, specific enthalpy, specific entropy. तो याद रखना, specific property is equal to extensive property divided by mass, and all the specific properties such as specific volume, specific internal energy, specific enthalpy, specific entropy are intensive property. तो याद रखना, जो specific properties हैं वो intensive properties होती हैं. एक चीज और ध्यान में रखना बेटा, एक चीज और ध्यान में रखना, when I am talking about extensive property, when I'm talking about extensive property, total property will be the sum of individual parts. Let us suppose I'm having a container. Let us suppose I'm having a container. That container is carrying some gas. Let us suppose imaginarily I'm dividing that container into three parts. So total volume of the container gas will be equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So this is the characteristic of what? This is the some special thing of what? Extensive property. Total property will be equal to the summation of individual parts. X is equal to X1 plus X2 plus X3. But in case of intensive property, what happens? Intensive property is not additive in nature. X is equal to X1 is equal to X2 is equal to X3. बात समझ में आ रही है? देखो ध्यान से एक बार पढ़ लेते हैं. In case of extensive properties, its value for the overall system is the sum of its values for the parts in which system is divided. That is, extensive properties are additive in nature, whereas intensive properties are not additive in nature. यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर हैं? Are you clear till here? Yes, 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 yes. टाइप करेंगे रे बाबा. Are you clear till here? बेटा जितना मैंने पढ़ाया है, जिस सीक्वेंस में पढ़ाया उसी सीक्वेंस में रिवीजन करवा रहा हूं. एक भी स्लाइड छोड़ी नहीं है. हर चीज हम लोग रिवाइज कर रहे हैं. Everything we are revising so that you can recollect each and everything. Entropy is extensive property बेटा. Entropy extensive property है and specific entropy intensive property बेटा, है ना? सही है. State. Anyone in the class, what is state बेटा? What is state? What is state? In simple words, state represents condition of the system. State represents the condition of the system. देखो, state refers to the condition of the system as described by its properties. अच्छा, एक चीज और ध्यान में रखना बेटा. For a given state, let us suppose I am saying state 1, I will be having the fixed values of properties. अगर state 1 पे प्रेशर 5 बार है तो वो 5 बार ही रहेगा. It cannot change to 10 bar. It cannot change to 10 bar. Are you getting what I am saying? At a given state, properties will be having the fixed values. For a given state, properties of a system have fixed values. And remember, whatever the thermodynamics we are learning, that is classical thermodynamics. हम लोग मैकेनिकल में जो भी थर्मोडायनामिक्स पढ़ते हैं, that is known as classical thermodynamics. And in classical thermodynamics, we will be dealing with the equilibrium states only. जो भी स्टेट थर्मोडायनामिक इक्विलिब्रियम में होंगी, उन्हीं के साथ हम लोग डील करने वाले हैं. The moment I am saying thermodynamic equilibrium, that means I am talking about thermal equilibrium, I am talking about mechanical equilibrium, I am talking about phase equilibrium, है ना? Now, what is the process? ये process क्या होता है रे बाबा? ये प्रोसेस क्या होता है बाबा? लेट सपोज आई एम हैविंग अ सिस्टम which is consisting of air. Let me say this air is at state 1. Let me say this air is at state 1. Now let us suppose I am supplying some heat. मान लो मैंने कुछ heat supply करी. Let us suppose I have supplied some heat of 100 kilojoule, 100%. This air will expand, piston will move upward, and I will be reaching to some other state, state 2. So can I say system is undergoing some change of state? Yes. Can I say system is undergoing some change of state? Yes, my friends, you are absolutely correct. A process is said to be occurred if the system undergoes from one equilibrium state to another equilibrium state. अगर system एक equilibrium state से दूसरी equilibrium state में चला जाता है, a process is said to be occurred if the system is going from state 1 to state 2, from one equilibrium state to another equilibrium state. है ना? पूरा सिलेबस होगा बेटा. अगर आप लोग जब तक लाइव आओगे, देखो मैं आपको एक चीज बता दे रहा हूं, अगर आप लोग लाइव आकर क्लास देखोगे, इफ आई फील आई एम गेटिंग प्रॉपर ऑडियंस, 100% मैं पूरा थर्मो लाइव करवा दूंगा. ठीक है? अभिनंदन इज आस्किंग व्हाट इज दैट. अरे ये तो आप लोग आंसर कर दो रे बाबा. अभिनंदन ने मेरा कल का सेशन नहीं देखा क्या? आई थिंक अभिनंदन ने मेरा कल का सेशन नहीं देखा. अभिनंदन ने मेरा कल का सेशन नहीं देखा. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द थर्मोडायनामिक्स इस लेक्चर दैट यू स्टार्टेड इन दिसंबर एंड द लेक्चर दैट यू स्टार्ट ऑन 1st of March? ओ माय गॉड. बिल्कुल बेटा अंकुश, बहुत अच्छे से कर सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. अब ध्यान से देखो बेटा, एनीवन इन द क्लास, पहले मुझे बताओ क्वासी स्टैटिक की बाद में बात करेंगे. व्हाट इज नॉन क्वासी स्टैटिक प्रोसेस? लेट अस सपोज आई एम हैविंग अ पिस्टन सिलेंडर अरेंजमेंट. This piston cylinder arrangement is carrying some air. This piston cylinder arrangement is carrying some air. Let me say on the top of the piston I have kept some dead weight. बेटा मान लो मैं इस पूरे के पूरे डेड वेट को, अरे ये राइस बैग है रे पापा, आर यू एबल टू रिकलेक्ट? दिस इज माय चंपूज राइस बैग रे पापा, दिस इज माय चंपूज राइस बैग. लेट अस सपोज आई एम रिमूविंग दिस राइस बैग कंप्लीटली. लेट अस सपोज आई एम रिमूविंग दिस राइस बैग कंप्लीटली. कैन आई से immediately the piston will move upward very rapidly? So the process will be what? Quasi-static or non-quasi-static? Yes, non-quasi-static. Non-quasi-static process is the rapid process such that intensive properties are non-uniform throughout the system. Now listen carefully. Let us suppose I told my champu you have to remove the complete rice bag, but grain by grain. बेटा बहुत ही स्लो प्रोसेस आ रहा है. चंपू ने इसे हटाया, इसे आ रहा है. चंपू की लाइफ बीत जाएगी रे बाबा. After 200 years, the champu will be able to remove the complete rice bag. So can you observe the piston will be moving? अरे champu, it is moving upward रे बाबा. The piston will be moving slowly. अरे बहुत ही slow करके ऊपर मूव करेगा. Yes, this is your quasi-static process. Quasi-static process is infinitely slow process such that intensive properties are uniform throughout the system. As I told you, I have written for you in the given example of the quasi-static process, when rice grains are removed one by one, air molecules have sufficient time to redistribute and the pressure is uniform throughout the system. So basically, quasi-static process is the process which is infinitely slow and it takes place in such a way that intensive properties are uniform throughout the system. ठीक है, यहां तक क्लियर है बेटा? यहां तक क्लियर है? नाउ एक छोटी सी बात जान लेना बेटा. whenever you will be representing the quasi-static process, you will be representing by the solid lines. Quasi-static process is represented by solid lines, whereas non-quasi-static process is represented by dashed lines. And listen carefully, series of equilibrium state. Of course, when the quasi-static process is taking place, it will be taking place infinitely slow, so it will be passing through the series of equilibrium state. So series of equilibrium state through which system passes is known as path of the process. अब देखना बेटा ध्यान से, यहीं से एक बेहतरीन कॉन्सेप्ट आता है इंटरनली रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस का. व्हाट इज इंटरनली रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस? What is internally reversible process? Suppose this is my system. I'm having one piston cylinder arrangement. And let me say this piston cylinder arrangement is carrying some air. Let me say I'm having one piston cylinder arrangement. This piston cylinder arrangement is carrying some air. Let me say this air is my system. If the process is taking place in such a way that there is no irreversibility within the system, then the process is known as internally reversible process. That means within the system you should not have any irreversibility. Alright champo, are you clear till here? यहां तक क्लियर है? Yes. ध्यान से देखना. A process is said to be internally reversible process if no irreversibility occurs inside the boundary of the system. अब याद रखना, suppose I am having a closed system. मान लो मेरे पास एक closed system है. If I want to do the internally reversible process, then that closed system must pass through the series of equilibrium states. Let's suppose I'm having a closed system and I want this closed system to do internally reversible process, then this closed system must pass through the series of equilibrium state. That means the process must be quasi-static process. तो याद रखना, whenever you want a process to be internally reversible process, it has to be quasi-static process. For closed system, at every intermediate state of an internally reversible process, all properties are uniform throughout. That is, closed system passes through the series of equilibrium states. For closed system, any quasi-static process neglecting viscous losses is an internally reversible process. Now let us come to externally reversible process. ये तो बहुत easy है. In case of internally reversible process, I was not having any irreversibility within the boundary, within the system. In case of externally reversible process, I should not have any irreversibility in surrounding. Look at here, beta. This is your surrounding. So if I am having externally reversible process, then I should not have any irreversibility in this surrounding. There should be no irreversibility in surrounding. ध्यान से देखना बेटा. A process is said to be externally reversible process if there is no irreversibility outside of the boundary of the system. Now listen carefully. सबसे बेहतरीन कॉन्सेप्ट मैंने ये पढ़ाया था आपको, और मैंने बोला इट इज वन ऑफ द डिफिकल्ट कॉन्सेप्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड. याद रखना, whenever we are having a heat transfer through finite temperature difference. Sir, what is the meaning of finite temperature difference? If the temperature difference because of which heat transfer is taking place is very large, if I am having the finite temperature difference, then the heat transfer will be externally irreversible heat transfer. Heat transfer through finite temperature difference is an externally irreversible process. But at the same time, if the temperature difference because of which heat transfer is taking place is very less, very almost equal, then the process will be externally reversible process. Heat transfer through negligible temperature difference is an externally reversible process. और याद रखना बेटा, generally अपने thermodynamics में when we are talking about the phase change process, we will be assuming phase change is internally reversible process. In general, phase change process can be considered as an internally reversible process. आप लोग यहां तक clear है बेटा? I hope each and everyone is clear till here. यहां तक सब लोग clear है बेटा? Now, totally reversible process, ये तो कोई भी बता देगा बेटा. Anyone in the class can tell me what is the totally reversible process or reversible process? What is the meaning of totally? What is the meaning of totally reversible process? The meaning of totally reversible process is internally reversible process. Internally reversible process plus externally reversible process. तो ऐसा प्रोसेस जो दोनों हो. If I want to reverse the process, I can reverse the process, and of course system and surrounding both will be coming back to their original states. तो ध्यान से देखना बेटा, ध्यान से देखना. A process of system is totally reversible if the system and all the parts of its surrounding can be exactly restored to their respective initial state after the process has taken place. Totally reversible process is the basically internally reversible process plus externally reversible process. यहां तक क्लियर है बेटा सब लोग? I hope each and everyone is clear. Good evening, good evening, good evening. I hope each and everyone is clear till here. और बाकी तो चीजें बहुत आसान है. If I ask you what is the irreversible process, the process which is not reversible is irreversible process. Now the moment I'm saying the process is irreversible process, I can have the irreversibility either only within the system or only within the surrounding or maybe in both system and surrounding. So ध्यान से देखना बेटा. In an irreversible process, irreversibility can be either present within the system or in surrounding or both. In an irreversible process, system undergoes either internally irreversible process or externally irreversible process or both. यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर हैं? I hope everyone is clear till here. अरे टाइप करते जाएंगे रे बाबा, टाइप करते जाएंगे सब लोग. Everyone keep on typing, everyone keep on typing रे बाबा, सब लोग टाइप करते जाएंगे. Come on everyone. These are the causes of irreversibility. You are aware of this. What is the cyclic process? What is the cyclic process? Cyclic process क्या होता है बेटा? What is cyclic process? Anyone in the class can tell me what is the cyclic process? What is cyclic process? Cyclic process is the process where initial state and final state are what? Same. Can I say cyclic process is the process where initial state and final state are same? And why are we conducting cyclic process? To get the continuous effect. If you want continuous effect, then only you will be doing the cyclic process. Yes, very good beta. So look at here, look at here. If the system undergoes number of processes such that the initial and final states are same, then the process is known as a cyclic process. Cyclic processes are used to get the continuous effect. Now, characteristic of properties. Anyone in the class can tell me what are the characteristics of properties? ये मैंने पढ़ाया था बेटा, फटाफट से बताएंगे. What are the characteristics of properties? फटाफट से बताएंगे बेटा. What are the characteristics of the properties? Properties are what? Properties are what? फटाफट से बोलेंगे. Properties are what? State functions. What else? Since the properties are represented by a point on the property diagram, hence properties are what? Point function. What else? Properties are what? Exact differentials. But what is the meaning of properties are exact differentials? एक बार ध्यान से देखना. Let us suppose I am having something like this. dz is equal to mdx plus ndy. Any intelligent student of the class can tell me if the properties are exact differentials, can I say this z must satisfy the test of exactness? What is the test of exactness? बेटा इस पे बहुत क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं आजकल. डो m by डो y at constant x must be equal to what? डो n by डो x at constant y, है ना? Any intelligent student of the class can tell me for a cyclic process the change in property will be how much? For a cyclic process, change in property will be how much? For a cyclic process, what will be the change in property? Can I say 0? For a cyclic process, change in property will be 0. है ना? अब ध्यान से सुनना, एक एक करके सारी चीजें पढ़ते हैं बेटा. Let us read one by one. Properties are independent of the path followed. They depend only on the state. Hence, properties are known as state functions. Second point, on property diagram, state is represented by a point. Hence, properties are also known as what? Point functions. So, मैंने आपको already बता दिया है. Properties are known as state functions. Properties are known as point functions. Now, whatever the path, internally reversible or internally irreversible, the difference of properties between two states is exactly same. Hence, properties are known as exact differentials. In a differential form, properties are represented by what? dv. dv. d हम यूज करते हैं बेटा. This d is representing properties are exact differentials. Last point, for a cyclic process, change in property is always 0. This is what I have discussed. If you are having a cyclic process, so 100% the change in property will be 0. यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर हैं? Are you clear till here? Yes, 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 पिंकू, वेरी गुड बेटा. सब लोग टाइप कर देंगे. यहां तक आप लोग क्लियर? झमाझम रिवीजन हो रहा है रे बाबा नेगी सोल्जर्स का. कम ऑन एवरीवन, पूरा फर्स्ट चैप्टर सेकंड चैप्टर हम लोग रिवाइज कर लेंगे बेटा, ताकि मंडे से स्टार्ट करेंगे थर्ड चैप्टर फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स विद फुल एनर्जी. यस, यूनिवर्सल गैस कांस्टेंट. यूनिवर्सल गैस कांस्टेंट. यूनिवर्सल गैस कांस्टेंट क्या है बेटा? What is universal gas constant? Anyone in the class can tell me what is universal gas constant? What is the mathematical definition? What is the mathematical definition of universal gas constant? Will be representing by R bar. What is R bar? Can I say ln limit P tends to 0, the value of what? PV by NT ना? याद है? याद है? यही है ना? यही है ना? फटाफट से बताओ. Limit P tends to 0, the value of PV by NT. P is the pressure, V is the volume. P is the pressure, V is the volume, N is the number of moles, and T is the temperature in Kelvin. Now बेटा आपको याद आ रहा होगा, हमने वैल्यू भी निकाली थी. We have seen the value of universal gas constant also. Any intelligent student of the class can tell me what is the value of universal gas constant? 8.314 kilojoule. Kilojoule per watt बेटा. 8.314 kilojoule per watt. 8.314 kilojoule per watt. 8.314 kilojoule per watt. 8.314 kilojoule per watt. फटाफट से बताएंगे. किलोजूल पर केजी और किलोमोल? पर किलोमोल per Kelvin. If I remove kilo, I am getting one more definition, one more value. 8.314 joule per mole per Kelvin. If you want, you can write in this way also. Universal gas constant will be equal to 8314, but then this will be in joule per kilomole. Kilojoule you converted into joule, so you are getting 1000 is getting multiplied. 8314 joule per kilomole per Kelvin. ये वैल्यू सबको क्लियर है बेटा? यस, एवरीवन इज क्लियर. कंप्रेसिबिलिटी फैक्टर मैंने पढ़ाया था, इस बार गेट में आया है, कंप्रेसिबिलिटी फैक्टर. सब लोग छुड़वा देते थे, बोलते थे अरे क्या कंप्रेसिबिलिटी फैक्टर, यहां से क्वेश्चन आएगा नहीं, तो एक्सी के सिलेबस का है कंप्रेसिबिलिटी फैक्टर। आई वाज द ओनली वन हु वाज डीलिंग विद द कंप्रेसिबिलिटी फैक्टर राइट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग। पढ़ाता हुआ आ रहा था, पढ़ो 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 पढ़ो। इस बार गेट मैकेनिकल में कंप्रेसिबिलिटी फैक्टर से क्वेश्चन आया था बेटा, बहुत ही सिंपल क्वेश्चन। अब नेगी सोल्जर्स ने तो फोड़ दिया होगा वो क्वेश्चन, कुछ था ही नहीं, कुछ था ही नहीं। बहुत ही इजी क्वेश्चन बन गया नेगी सोल्जर्स के लिए तो, क्योंकि उनको पता है व्हाट इज कंप्रेसिबिलिटी फैक्टर। बट जिनको नहीं पता, इतना इजी क्वेश्चन मिस कर दिया, है ना। सो कैन आई से compressibility factor Z is equal to what? PV by NT divided by what? Divided by what? R bar. बेटा एग्जाम में गेट 2021 में दे आज द टेम्परेचर पूछा था, PV by NT divided by R bar। बात समझ में आ रही है। एंड अगर इसको चाहो तो ऐसा भी ले सकते हो, स्पेसिफिक वॉल्यूम टेकिंग अकाउंट ऑफ कंप्रेसिबिलिटी फैक्टर डिवाइडेड बाय आइडियल गैस स्पेसिफिक वॉल्यूम। एनीवेज वो आगे देखेंगे। यहां तक क्लियर है? हाँ, आई होप एवरीवन इज क्लियर टिल हियर। नाउ व्हाट इज रिड्यूस प्रॉपर्टी? ये तो बहुत इजी है। एट ए गिवन स्टेट इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड एनी रिड्यूस प्रॉपर्टी, so property at that state divided by critical state property. So if you want to find the reduced pressure at the state divided by critical pressure. If you want to find the reduced temperature at that state divided by critical temperature. तो ध्यान से देखना बेटा, reduced property at a given state is the value of the property at that state divided by the value of the property at critical state. Reduced property is the dimensionless property, of course, and at a critical point its value is unity, that is 1, of course. Next, generalized compressibility chart मैंने बताया हुआ है आपको, जनरलाइज compressibility chart मैंने बताया हुआ आपको। केवल मैं आपके लिए चीजें पढ़ रहा हूं, बिकॉज अभी I cannot explain each and everything from the basics. We are doing the revision, so let us see the points related to generalized compressibility chart. At PR tends to 0, जब PR reduced pressure tends to 0, that means at very low pressure the value of compressibility factor approaches to unity irrespective of temperature. At very high temperatures, when TR reduced temperature is greater than equal to 2, the value of compressibility factor approaches to unity up to PR is equal to 4. Compressibility factor is minimum at critical point. What is the meaning of critical point? Where the pressure is PC, where the temperature is TC. That means where PR is 1, reduced pressure is 1, where reduced temperature TR is 1. याद रखना, compressibility factor is approximately same at the same reduced pressure and reduced temperature, and this is known as principle of corresponding states. तो याद रखना बेटा, same reduced pressure and same reduced temperature पर compressibility factor क्या होता है? Same होता है। Again I am reading, compressibility factor is approximately same at the same reduced temperature and reduced pressure. This is known as principle of corresponding state. Generalized compressibility chart is extremely useful in situation where detailed data on a particular gas are lacking but critical properties are available. I have discussed in entire detail. पूरा डिटेल में मैंने ये आपको पढ़ाया हुआ है ना। Ideal gas. Anyone in the class can tell me what is ideal gas? What is ideal gas? What is ideal gas, beta? What is ideal gas? Anyone in the class can tell me what is ideal gas? बोलो बेटा, बेसिक डेफिनेशन बताओ। Any real gas which is having compressibility factor unity, any real gas which is having compressibility factor unity will be behaving as an ideal gas. करेक्ट ना? ठीक है। now ध्यान से सुनना बेटा, you will be getting the physical meaning of Z value also. Any real gas having Z is equal to 1 behaves as an ideal gas. अब देखो, you will be asking me na sir, what is the physical meaning of compressibility factor value? So I will be telling you, farther away Z is from unity, more is the deviation from the ideal gas behavior. जितना Z की वैल्यू 1 से दूर जाती रहती है, उतना गैस का बिहेवियर आइडियल गैस बिहेवियर से डेविएट होता जाता है. Of course, minimum value of Z occurs at critical point. Hence, deviation of the gas from the ideal gas behavior is maximum at the vicinity of the critical point. Now, physical meaning of ideal gas. Can you tell me what are the conditions under which a gas will be behaving as an ideal gas? फटाफट से बोलेंगे बेटा. What are the conditions under which a gas will be behaving as an ideal gas? फटाफट से बोलेंगे बेटा. Yes, Pinku, very good. What are the conditions under which a real gas will be behaving as an ideal gas? क्या condition होगी? A gas will be behaving as an ideal gas if what? Intermolecular forces of attraction is what? Negligible. And what else? एक कंडीशन तो ये हो गई. Any real gas will be behaving as an ideal gas if the intermolecular forces of attraction is negligible. What else? इसके अलावा if the intermolecular forces of attraction is negligible, what else? If the volume of gas molecules is negligible as compared, if the volume of gas molecules is negligible as compared to container volume. और favorable conditions क्या है बेटा? What are the favorable conditions for a real gas to behave as an ideal gas? 100% very low pressure and very high temperature. Yes or no? Yes. चलो एक बार देख लेते हैं बेटा. Ideal gas is having following characteristics: negligible intermolecular forces of attraction, volume of the gas molecules is negligible as compared to the container volume. Now, what is perfect gas? Anyone in the class can tell me? मैंने बताया था बेटा आपको डिटेल में what is a perfect gas. फटाफट से बोलेंगे बेटा what is perfect gas. Come on everyone, I want everyone to answer me in chat box. What is a perfect gas? Perfect gas क्या होती है रे बाबा? What is perfect gas? बोलो रे बाबा, perfect gas क्या होती है? What is perfect gas? Come on everyone. I want everyone to answer me in chat box. What is perfect gas? ये perfect gas क्या होती है रे बाबा? Come on everyone. Yes. देखो ध्यान से देखना. Perfect gas is nothing. It is simple ideal gas only. Perfect gas is nothing. It is simply ideal gas only. But having this beautiful characteristic. Cp and Cv are constant. Cp and Cv are constant for perfect gas. So basically perfect gas is an ideal gas having constant Cp Cv, and of course all the monoatomic gases behaves as perfect gas. In fact, diatomic gases also for a particular temperature range will be behaving as perfect gas. Ideal gas equation. Any intelligent student of the class can tell me what is ideal gas equation beta? What is ideal gas equation? फटाफट से बोलेंगे ideal gas equation क्या होती है रे बाबा? Come on everyone. What is अरे चंपो? Ideal gas will be following the ideal gas equation, and for ideal gas what is Z? Z is 1, and if Z is 1 that means 1 is equal to what? PV by NT divided by R bar. So can I say ideal gas equation is PV is equal to NR bar T? Can I say ideal gas equation is equal to PV NR bar T, where P is the pressure, absolute pressure obviously, V is the volume, N is the number of moles, R bar is the universal gas constant, T is the absolute temperature. Can I write in terms of mass also? Mass के terms में भी लिख सकता हूं. Yes, I can write in terms of mass also. PV is equal to MRT. Now what is this capital R? What is this capital R? Where capital R is characteristic. Capital R is a characteristic gas constant. Capital R is a characteristic gas constant. And what is this capital R? Capital R is equal to R bar divided by molar mass. But any intelligent student of the class can tell me, if the molar mass increases, what will happen to characteristic gas constant? है ना, बोलो बोलो फटाफट से बोलो. R is equal to what? R bar divided by M. What is this M? Molar mass. Molar mass. So anyone in the class can tell me, as the molar mass increases, what will happen to characteristic gas constant? Excellent. Excellent. Yes. Characteristic gas constant will keep on decreasing. Now listen carefully. Listen carefully. Suppose I am having three gases. Suppose hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen. So can you tell me which one will be having the maximum characteristic gas constant and which one will be having minimum characteristic gas constant? जल्दी से बताओ, जल्दी से बताओ. Which one will be having maximum characteristic gas constant and which one will be having minimum characteristic gas constant? अरे जिसका भी मोलर मास मिनिमम होगा, जिसका भी मोलर मास मिनिमम होगा, that will be having the maximum characteristic gas constant. और जिसका भी मोलर मास मैक्सिमम होगा, that will be having the minimum characteristic gas constant. So 100% characteristic gas constant of hydrogen is maximum, followed by nitrogen, and then the minimum will be for oxygen. कंफर्म कर दो बेटा यहां तक. चलो अब ध्यान से देखना. Units of characteristic gas constant is kilojoule per kg per Kelvin or joule per kg per Kelvin. First point, characteristic gas constant depends only on the molar mass of the gas and is independent of the temperature of the gas. Third point, characteristic gas constant is different for different gases. Higher the molar mass of the gas, lesser is the characteristic gas constant. Are you clear till here? यहां तक क्लियर है? अरे वाह, छा गए, वाह, what a beauty, what a beauty, what a beauty. Are you clear till here? Excellent, excellent, excellent. Yes, 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 yes. Clear, clear, clear. जियो रे लाला. Very good बेटा, very good. Yes. चलो, let us move forward. There are few other forms. There are few other forms of ideal gas equation. I will be writing in front of you. In terms of specific volume, pressure into specific volume is equal to RT and P is equal to what? Rho RT. यहां तक क्लियर है सब लोग? यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर हैं? अरे ये भी तो है. And generally we are going to use these equations in open system analysis. Now, कुछ चीजें जो आपको याद रखनी बेटा. there are few things which you need to remember. कुछ चीजें हैं जो आपको ध्यान में रखनी है while applying the ideal gas equation. I will be reading it one by one for you people. ध्यान से देखना बेटा. First thing, in basic thermodynamics, gases such as nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, air can be treated as ideal gas until and unless it is mentioned to behave as a real gas. जब भी आप बेसिक थर्मोडायनामिक्स में प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, you will always take the gases as an ideal gas जब तक कि मेंशन नहीं किया है कि these gases are behaving as real gas, या कुछ ऐसा दिया नहीं है क्वेश्चन में जो कि वो प्रूव करे कि ये गैसेस अभी रियल गैसेस की तरह बिहेव कर रही हैं, है ना. इन आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन टेम्परेचर मस्ट बी एब्सोल्यूट टेम्परेचर दैट इज इन केल्विन स्केल ओनली. ये चीज हमेशा ध्यान रखना बेटा. प्लीज कीप इन माइंड, प्लीज कीप इन माइंड, as far as ideal gas equation is concerned, we will be taking the temperature always in Kelvin only. कभी डिग्री सेल्सियस में लेकर गलती मत कर देना बेटा. In ideal gas equation, pressure must be absolute pressure. Sometimes they are confusing you by giving the gauge pressure or maybe some reading of the differential YouTube differential manometer. तो आपको confuse नहीं होना है, आपको absolute pressure ही लेना है. If the pressure is taken in kilopascal, then the characteristic gas constant should be in kilojoule per kg per Kelvin, and if pressure is taken in pascal, then the characteristic gas constant should be in joule per kg per Kelvin. You have to match carefully. अगर आप प्रेशर को किलो पास्कल में ले रहे हैं, देन कॉरस्पॉन्डिंगली यू हैव टू टेक आर इन किलो जूल पर केजी पर केल्विन, एंड इफ यू आर टेकिंग प्रेशर इन पास्कल, देन यू हैव टू टेक कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग कैपिटल आर इन जूल पर केजी पर केल्विन. यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर हैं? यस यस. एब्सोल्यूट बोले तो बेटा एक्चुअल, एक्चुअल है ना. एनालिसिस ऑफ नॉन रिएक्टिंग आइडियल गैस मिक्सचर्स. अब बेटा यहां पर देखना, suppose I'm having number of ideal gases and I'm having some mixture of them, then how to find the R characteristic gas constant of the mixture? Can I say characteristic gas constant of the mixture will be equal to what? R bar divided by molar mass of the mixture. ये कंफर्म कर दो. Can I say characteristic gas constant of the mixture will be R bar डिवाइडेड बाय मोलर मास ऑफ द मिक्सचर. ये कंफर्म कर दो बेटा फटाफट से, ये कंफर्म कर दो फटाफट से. अरे बोलो रे बाबा, आर यू क्लियर टिल हियर? नाउ इन द क्वेश्चन इफ मोल फ्रैक्शंस आर गिवन, देखो अगर मोल फ्रैक्शंस गिवन है, देन मोलर मास ऑफ द मिक्सचर विल बी व्हाट? मोलर मास ऑफ द मिक्सचर विल बी मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ गैस 1 इनटू मोलर मास ऑफ गैस 1 प्लस mole fraction of gas 2 into molar mass of gas 2 plus mole fraction of gas 3 into molar mass of gas 3 plus that अगर इससे ज्यादा है. लेकिन याद रखना बेटा, let us suppose you have the mass fractions. अगर mass fractions आपके पास है तो आप क्या करने वाले हो? 1 by mass fraction of gas 1 divided by molar mass of gas 1 plus mass fraction of gas 2 divided by molar mass of gas 2 plus mass fraction of gas 3 divided by molar mass of gas 3 plus dash dash dash. कंफर्म कर दो बेटा, यहां तक कंफर्म कर दो फटाफट से, यहां तक कंफर्म कर दीजिए. यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर हैं? अरे बोलो रे बाबा, आर यू क्लियर टिल हियर? यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर हैं? Come on everyone, come on everyone, come on everyone. Oh my God, what a beauty. यहां तक क्लियर है सब लोग? Oh my God, oh my God. यहां तक क्लियर है बेटा? Remember when I'm writing bar, this bar is representing mole fractions. It is representing mole fraction, and when I am writing only x1, it is representing mass fraction. There is a difference between mole fraction and mass fraction. You must be aware of this. ठीक है? यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर हैं बेटा? Excellent. Now you know we have done the analysis, and for the calculation purpose we got the molar mass of dry air as 29 kg per kilomole, and the characteristic gas constant we got 287 joule per kg per Kelvin. This is the molar mass and this is R for dry air. You can take, है ना? Now you know this discussion on critical isotherm. ये आपको पता है ना बेटा? ये मैंने बताया था, एक बार मैं आपको याद दिला देता हूं. Let us suppose I am having pressure specific volume diagram, and if I try to draw various isotherms, अगर मैं isotherms draw करने की कोशिश करूं, so let me say this is the isotherm where the temperature is less than critical temperature, and this is one isotherm where the temperature is equal to critical temperature. So anyone in the class can tell me what I'm getting here at this critical point. ये जो critical point है, what I'm getting for this critical isotherm. फटाफट से बोलेंगे बेटा. Critical isotherm passes through a point of inflection at the critical point. This is your point of inflection. This is your point of inflection. Anyone in the class, beta, what is the meaning of point of inflection? What is the meaning of point of inflection? फटाफट से बोलेंगे बेटा. What is the meaning of point of inflection? Anyone in the class can tell me? What is the meaning of point of inflection? Point of inflection का क्या मतलब होता है? The meaning of point of inflection is the first partial derivative of the pressure with the specific volume, with respect to specific volume at critical point is 0. Second partial derivative of the pressure with respect to specific volume at critical point is 0. Third partial derivative of the pressure with respect to critical specific volume at critical point is 0. ये याद रखना बेटा, if I am having the point of inflection. यहां तक क्लियर है? यहां तक क्लियर है? फटाफट से बोलिए बेटा. यहां तक क्लियर है सब लोग? I hope each and everyone is clear till here. Now next, van der Waals equation of states. What is van der Waals equation of states? Anyone in the class, beta? What is your van der Waals equation of states? What is your van der Waals equation of state? Anyone in the class can tell me what is your van der Waals equation of state? P plus A upon small v square into small v minus b is equal to RT. Now, anyone in the class can tell me why this extra factor A upon small v square is coming to picture? Why this is coming into the picture? This accounts for what? P plus A upon small v square. This accounts for what? This accounts for what? This accounts for intermolecular forces of attraction. And this extra factor B accounts for what? This accounts for volume of molecules, volume of gas molecules. यहां तक क्लियर है बेटा? What is this small v? What is this small v? ये small v क्या है? ये small v क्या है? What is this small v? Anyone in the class? Small v is representing what? Can I say small v is representing specific volume? Now, अगर आप सॉल्व करोगे आपको पता चलेगा A की यूनिट जो आती है, the unit of A will be meter power 5 per kg per second square, and the unit of B will be of course is small v की वैल्यू तो स्पेसिफिक वॉल्यूम मीटर क्यूब पर केजी है ना. नाउ लिसन केयरफुली, बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुनना बेटा, बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुनना. व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस स्मॉल a, स्मॉल b एंड z, ऑफ कोर्स z एट क्रिटिकल पॉइंट. तो मैंने डेरिवेशन भी किया था. स्मॉल a इज व्हाट? 3pc vc square. Small b is what? Can I say vc by 3? फटाफट से कंफर्म कर दो बेटा, फटाफट से कंफर्म कर दो. Can I say a is equal to 3pc vc square and b is equal to vc by 3? And what was the z? What was the z? What was the Z at critical point? 3/8, 0.375. बेटा ये मैं रिवीजन करवा रहा हूं आपको पूरा, जो अभी तक मैं डिस्कस कर चुका हूं मैं उसका पूरा रिवीजन करवा रहा हूं. ये ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं हम लोग बेटा. एवरीथिंग वी हैव डिस्कस्ड. नाउ व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम प्रोसेस बेटा? What is the meaning of constant volume process? Anyone in the class can tell me what is the meaning of constant volume process? What is the meaning of constant volume process? Very good, Pinko. What is the meaning of constant volume process? Anyone in the class can tell me? The meaning of constant volume process is your volume is constant. Of course, for anything, for any substance. But what are the other names? What are the other names of constant volume process? Are you able to recollect? Isochoric process, isochoric process, and what? Isometric process. And बेटा मैंने आपको बताया था, I have discussed clearly. If you are having isochoric heat addition process, what happens to pressure beta? Yes, if you are having isochoric heat addition process, तो प्रेशर का क्या होता है फटाफट से बताएंगे बेटा. बोलो बेटा फटाफट से. If you are having isochoric हीट एडिशन, मैं बात कर रहा हूं हीट एडिशन की. If you are having isochoric heat addition process, of course volume will remain constant, pressure increases. And if you are having isochoric heat rejection process, what will happen to pressure? Pressure decreases. ये कंफर्म कर दो बेटा. And it will be a vertical line ना. On PV diagram, can I say isochoric process will be a vertical line? Can I say on PV diagram, isochoric process will be a vertical line? Now, of course, if I am having heat addition, vertically upward. If I am having heat rejection, vertically downward. Yes. VT diagram. VT diagram. How the VT diagram will look like? How the VT diagram will look like? For isochoric heat addition or isochoric heat rejection process, of course it has to be horizontal. Volume is constant na. But if I am having isochoric heat addition, if I am having isochoric heat addition, so during isochoric heat addition temperature increases. If I am having isochoric heat rejection, if I am having isochoric heat rejection, so temperature decreases. यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर हैं बेटा? I hope each and everyone is clear till here. Excellent है रे बाबा. Now analysis for an ideal gas. आपको मैंने एक बेहतरीन एनालिसिस करके दिखाई थी. For a given mass of an ideal gas which is undergoing isochoric process, we have seen pressure was directly proportional to absolute temperature. ये हमने देखा था, ये हमने देखा था. pressure was directly proportional to absolute temperature. ये कंफर्म कर दो बेटा. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? इसका मतलब हो गया P1 upon T1 is equal to what? P2 by T2. ये कंफर्म कर दो. अरे यही तो हो गया. If I am having a given mass, given amount of an ideal gas which is undergoing isochoric process, I will be getting pressure. Absolute pressure is directly proportional to absolute temperature. P1 by T1 is equal to P2 by T2. And this law is known as what? इसी को हम लोग क्या बोलते थे बेटा? This law is known as what? किसी को याद आ रहा है? This law is known as what? Gay-Lussac's law. ध्यान से देखना बेटा. According to Gay-Lussac's law, for a given mass of an ideal gas undergoing isochoric process, absolute pressure is directly proportional to absolute temperature. Now, how the PT diagram will look like? Anyone in the class? हाउ द पीटी डायग्राम विल लुक लाइक बेटा, पीटी डायग्राम कैसा दिखाई देगा, हाउ द पीटी डायग्राम विल लुक लाइक, हाउ द पीटी डायग्राम विल लुक लाइक, फटाफट से बोलेंगे पापा, हाउ द पीटी डायग्राम विल लुक लाइक इफ आई एम हैविंग एन आइडियल गैस विच इज अंडरगोइंग आइसोकोरिक प्रोसेस। पीटी डायग्राम कैसा दिखाई देगा? नो इट वोंट बी अ वर्टिकल लाइन, नहीं नहीं वर्टिकल लाइन नहीं होगी रे बाबा, इट वोंट बी अ वर्टिकल लाइन, बोलो नो इट वोंट बी अ कर्व, it will be a straight line, it will be a straight line passing through what? It will be a straight line passing through what? It will be a straight line passing through what? कंफर्म करेंगे बेटा, passing through origin. Are you clear till here? ये तो पढ़ा था ना बेटा, है ना, यहां तक क्लियर है बेटा। एंड ऑफ कोर्स if I'm having isocoric heat addition process, you know during isocoric heat addition process 100% both pressure and temperature will increase, during isocoric heat rejection process 100% both pressure and temperature will decrease। यहां तक तो सब लोग क्लियर है रे बाबा, everyone is clear till here? yes, यहां तक क्लियर है सब लोग? वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड बेटा, फटाफट से बताओ यहां तक क्लियर है सब लोग, है ना, समझ में आ गई सारी चीजें? यहां तक सब रिवीजन हो गया बेटा। आई एम नॉट टीचिंग एनीथिंग, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी वेरी क्लियर, लेट मी बी वेरी क्लियर, आई एम नॉट टीचिंग एनीथिंग, मैं कुछ पढ़ा नहीं रहा हूं। इससे पहले चैप्टर 1 चैप्टर 2 के जो 30 लेक्चर्स मैंने करवाए हैं दिसंबर और जनवरी में, उनका रिवीजन करवा रहा हूं। पढ़ाना स्टार्ट होगा 1 मार्च से, पढ़ाना स्टार्ट होगा 1 मार्च से। और मैं बोल रहा हूं बेटा आपको बेस्ट लेक्चर्स मिलने वाले, यू विल बी गेटिंग द बेस्ट लेक्चर्स ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स, इतना आप समझ सकते हो, है ना, ठीक है, यहां तक क्लियर है? ठीक है, जल्दी बोलो यहां तक क्लियर है? अगर किसी को डाउट है, इफ एनीवन इज हैविंग एनी डाउट, प्रशांत बेटा अगर आपको डाउट है, मैंने ये पढ़ा रखा है तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा ना, एक बार जाके देख लेना। ठीक है, यहां तक क्लियर है? चलो देन टुमारो वी आर गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू, टुमारो वी आर गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू फ्रॉम हियर, है ना, ठीक है, चलो ध्यान से देख लेना बेटा। आई विल बी अपलोडिंग द class notes of each and every lecture, each and every class in this particular telegram channel. This is the link of the telegram channel. आपको कुछ नहीं करना, नेगी 10 टेलीग्राम चैनल सर्च कीजिए और उसको सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, आपको सारी चीजें वहां पर मिल जाएंगी, है ना, ठीक है, यहां तक क्लियर है? ठीक है, नाउ दिस इज link of my profile on Unacademy platform. Search my name Devendra Singh Negi. Search my name Devendra Singh Negi. If you are looking for the free special classes, the moment you are following me on Unacademy platform, you will be getting the notification of each and every free class whatever I am going to take. बेटा कल सुबह हम लोग मिलने वाले हैं इस क्लास के लिए, वेंचुरीमीटर आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस ऑन अनअकैडमी फ्री स्पेशल क्लास मॉर्निंग 11:30 AM। अगर जिनको अटेंड करना है, वेंचुरीमीटर सीखना है, यू कैन कम टुमारो मॉर्निंग। एंड बेटा इसको तो कोई मिस नहीं करेगा, नो वन विल बी मिसिंग दिस। दिस इज ज्ञान गंगा, दिस इज ज्ञान गंगा। whatever the free special class I have taken till now, whatever the free special class I have taken till now, whatever the free lecture I have taken till now on YouTube, Unacademy free special classes, हर चीज पूरे systematic way में यहां पर रखी गई है ज्ञान गंगा में. You can see applications of thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, heat transfer, previous year gate XC questions, special sessions, thermodynamics, everything is arranged in a proper way. सर ज्ञान गंगा खुलेगा कैसे बेटा? दिस इज द लिंक tinyurl.com/Negitan code. बेटा ये लिंक है. इस लिंक को जैसे आप टाइप करते हो अपने एड्रेस बार में, यू विल बी गेटिंग द एक्सेस टू द ज्ञान गंगा. एंड इफ यू वांट माय कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स यू विल बी गेटिंग ओवर हियर, है ना? ठीक है. नाउ सपोज यू आर ओपनिंग फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स. First column will be having the name of chapter, second column will be having the lecture numbering, third column will be having the topic name, fourth column will be having the link of the video class, fifth column will be having the PDF link. If you are, देखो बेटा, if you are liking the class, like करो, subscribe करो, share करो, comment करो. जितना आप share करोगे उतनी ज्यादा इस चैनल पे क्लासेस होने वाली हैं. जितना आप like करोगे उतनी एनर्जी से हम लोग पढ़ाने वाले हैं. तो ये सब आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. और याद रखना इट्स माई नेगी सोल्जर्स रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कि ये जो K2 के बैच हमने स्टार्ट किया है, कलम टू कलाम, इसको बहुत आगे तक बढ़ाना है बेटा. आई एम नॉट वरीड अबाउट 1-2 पीपल. देखो वो तो होगा ही, 1-2 लोग आएंगे आप लोग को डिस्टर्ब करेंगे, वो कॉमन है ना. दैट इज कॉमन. बट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, लिसन केयरफुली. आई नो देयर आर द मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर वेरी सीरियस गेट एस्पिरेंट्स, जो लोग बहुत ही सीरियसली गेट 2022 और 2023 की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, एंड दे कैन नॉट अफोर्ड एनी पेड कोर्स राइट नाउ. तो अगर जो लोग पेड कोर्स अभी अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते हैं, उनके लिए मैंने और मेरी टीम ने ये K2 के बैच स्टार्ट किया बेटा. तो इस K2 के बैच को सक्सेस करवाना आपकी जिम्मेदारी है. सारे सब्जेक्ट्स होंगे, 1 by 1 होंगे, पूरे डिटेल में होंगे. द ओनली थिंग इज you have to make sure it's a grand success. When Apurv sir is coming for the class, he should have 500 students. When I am coming for the class, I should have 500 students. Manish sir की classes में भी 500 students होने चाहिए, है ना? ठीक है. Every day, Monday to Friday, I will be coming live at 6 PM. और कभी भी अपने आप को डिस्टर्ब मत करना. अगर कोई आपको परेशान कर रहा है चैट बॉक्स में, छोड़ दो बेटा, छोड़ दो. यू आर माई नेगी सोल्जर्स. आई एम टेलिंग यू, वी हैव टू बी पॉजिटिव. हम हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहने वाले हैं. हम यहां पर आए हैं सीखने के लिए. सीखेंगे, एग्जाम क्रैक करेंगे, जॉब लेंगे, एमटेक लेंगे. बस उतना ही एम है इस चैनल का और आपका. ठीक है. नाउ इफ एनीवन financially can afford Unacademy subscription, then on Unacademy Plus continuously my courses will keep on coming. Right now fluid mechanics is going on 20th of March fluid mechanics will be over. Then from 22nd of March I'm going to start heat transfer, and from 3rd of May I will be starting the thermodynamics. And all these courses will be running in all the batches of the Unacademy Plus. At the same time, there are so many students who are asking me, sir, we want to study, we want to learn thermal and fluid sciences from you only. बेटा उनके लिए मैंने एक special, extraordinary, customized batch बनाया है, where I will be mentoring the candidate, where I will be mentoring the students, and I will be teaching my own subjects, and other subjects will be taught by the top educators of the country. तो किससे पढ़ना है, कब पढ़ना है, कहां पढ़ना है, एवरीथिंग आई एम गोइंग टू टेल देम. तो आप लगाएंगे Negitan, आ जाएंगे Unacademy Plus पे. जैसे आप Negitan यूज करते हैं बेटा, the moment you are using Negitan, you will be getting the live classes. In case you are missing the live classes, you can watch the recorded sessions. आप recorded sessions भी देख सकते हैं. Now you will be getting the daily practice problems, you will be getting the practice sheets. उसकी चिंता आपको नहीं करनी है. Another thing, the moment you are using Negitan, I will be adding you in all the doubt solving groups where me and my team members are present. You will be getting the doubt clearing sessions also. On Unacademy Plus, every 4th class is the doubt clearing class. Now, other than that, you will be having the weekly quizzes, you will be having the detailed solution of weekly quizzes, and once your syllabus is over, you need not to worry, your revision will be our responsibility. एक बार आपका syllabus complete हो जाता है, उसका revision भी हम ही लोग करवाएंगे. You will be getting the crash course, you will be getting the rank improvement batches also. And those who are my Negi soldiers from the southern part of the country, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Kerala, need not to worry, your Negi sir is located at Andhra Pradesh only, and I will take care of all of you. You will be having the batches in English also. Now, those who are financially well settled, I will be advising you to join Unacademy Iconic instead of Unacademy Plus. The moment you are joining Unacademy Iconic using the referral code NEGI10, whatever the features you are having on Plus, same features you will be having, but there are 2 extra features which are worth to pay extra. Sir, वो 2 feature क्या है? You will be getting the personal coach. First feature, you will be getting personal coach. This personal coach is going to mentor you one-to-one. This personal coach is going to make sure you are getting the customized study plan. This personal coach is going to make sure you are getting the personalized test analysis. Whatever the quizzes you are writing, this personal coach is going to analyze all those quizzes and will be giving you the feedback so that you can improve in next quizzes. At the same time, this personal coach will make sure that you are attending all the study booster sessions, like how to increase the efficiency of learning, how to excel in the art of writing the exam. Now, the second benefit, beta, you will be getting the for Unacademy Iconic. आपको theory books, problem books सब मिलने वाली हैं. This is the fee structure for Unacademy Plus. The moment Negi soldiers are planning to join, Unacademy Plus using the referral code NEGI10, जैसे ही Negi soldiers Unacademy Plus ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं यूजिंग द रेफरल कोड NEGI10, their subscription fee will be reduced. For 12 months, it will be reduced to 27,225 rupees. For 18 months, it will be reduced to 34,650 rupees. For 24 months, it will be reduced to 39,600 rupees. And the most important thing is you can pay in no cost EMI. आप चाहे तो नो कॉस्ट EMI में भी पे कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, नेगी सोल्जर इज प्लानिंग टू ज्वाइन फॉर 12 months. So for 12 months, what is the subscription fee? 39,600 divided by 24. That means literally 1650 rupees per month. That means literally 55 rupees per day. But बेटा इतना ही पे करना है. This is what you need to pay. Nothing more than this. There is no hidden cost. There is no extra interest. Sir, how can I pay in no cost EMI? If you are having the credit card of any bank, if you are having the debit card of HDFC Bank, or if you are having the Bajaj Finserv card, you can pay in no cost. Sir, मेरे पास इन तीनों में से कुछ नहीं है. बेटा मुझे Unacademy Learning App पर मैसेज कर देना. I will be telling you how can you avail no cost EMI if you are not having any credit card, debit card or Bajaj Finserv card. वो मेरी जिम्मेदारी है आपको गाइड करना. ठीक है? This is the fee structure for Unacademy Iconic. Now, listen carefully. Why to use NEGI10? Because again, I'm saying NEGI10 is not just the code. NEGI10 is not just the referral code. It's an emotion which is connecting me and my team to you people. Negi sir to Negi soldier, Jhamajam classes to Jhamajam learning. Are you getting to Bolo Re Baba? Bolo Re Baba. The moment you are using NEGI10, you'll be getting the personal guidance of GATE All India Rank 1 2019-20 engineering sciences paper. You'll be getting the personal guidance of head mechanical head Unacademy brands. You'll be getting the personal guidance of topper MTech IIT Bombay. This is my team to whom I'm leading on this YouTube channel. आपने देखा ही होगा. मैकेनिकल प्लस एक्सी मतलब NEGI10 NEGI10 NEGI10. थैंक यू सो मच बेटा. किसी का कोई डाउट है तो पूछ लीजिए. If anyone is having any doubt, feel free to ask. अगर किसी का किसी भी टाइप का कोई डाउट है तो पूछ लीजिए बेटा. If anyone is having any doubt, feel free to ask. कल हम यहां से कंटिन्यू करेंगे और पूरा रिवीजन कर डालेंगे. ठीक है? ठीक है, चलो. आई होप एवरीवन इज क्लियर टिल हियर. कल पूरा रिवीजन खत्म कर देंगे. ठीक है? संतोष, आपको चिंता नहीं करनी है. आपको पढ़ने से मतलब है बेहतरीन तरीके से आपका सिलेबस होने वाला है ना. बेहतरीन तरीके से आपका सिलेबस होने वाला है, आप टेंशन ही ना लो। श्रीकर मैसेज मी सेपरेटली बेटा, मैसेज मी सेपरेटली। विशाल एक बार मुझे मैसेज कर देना बेटा, ठीक है। किसी का कुछ और डाउट है? आज की क्लास ठीक है, समझ में आ गई? हाँ तो बस ठीक है, डोंट वरी बेटा विशाल, फिर कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है, फिर तो कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है। चलो किसी को कुछ और डाउट है? वही कंटिन्यू हो रहा है बेटा संतोष, सेम थिंग इज गेटिंग कंटिन्यूड। बेटा देखो आप लोगों ने ना, मैंने जो लॉन्च किया था आपने वो देखा नहीं। व्हाट आई टोल्ड, फ्रॉम द मंडे ऑनवर्ड्स आई विल बी स्टार्टिंग द थर्ड चैप्टर। तो किसी नए बच्चे का कुछ लॉस ना हो, दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव शेयर्ड द प्लेलिस्ट इन नेगीटन टेलीग्राम चैनल। आई हैव शेयर्ड द कंप्लीट पीडीएफ। 2 घंटा लगा मुझे पूरे पीडीएफ डाउनलोड करके, पूरा पीडीएफ एक सिंगल उसमें बनाने में। वी हैव डन फॉर यू। एंड देन मैंने वो भी अनअकैडमी का जो मेरा नेगीटन वाला टेलीग्राम चैनल है, नेगीटन में मैंने अपलोड कर दिया है। एंड देन आई थॉट लेट अस टेक द रिवीजन क्लासेस आल्सो। कल पहले 2 चैप्टर का रिवीजन आपका झमाझम तरीके से हो जाएगा। एंड देन फ्रॉम मंडे ऑनवर्ड्स वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स, है ना? ठीक है, चलो ओके, चलो बाय, टेक केयर, लव यू ऑल, थैंक यू सो मच बेटा, थैंक यू सो मच।